Hey guys, welcome back. So in our last video, we saw the upper function, which is used to convert text. Today we'll see lower function. Now, lower function is exactly opposite of upper. So upper converts any text to upper or capital letters, while lower converts text to a lowercase letter or smaller case, we can say. So suppose, let me have this lower case here, which is eyes can analyze. Let me color this so every time I have to refer it. So I'll make it yellow, will do, yeah. So if I try to convert eyes can analyze, which is in lower case in the column A, and try to put it on a lower formula, it will not change or function. So usually lower function will retrieve the qualitative value or the text that has been inputted and converts it into a lowercase letters in the designated string area that we want. Now the two main ingredients of any manipulating text in Excel are lower and upper. Always remember that. So lower is used to convert a particular text if it is in some other case to a lower case. Yeah, so it has an input string that we saw, that is a text string that is required in the argument to which has to be converted. So let's quickly jump on to these examples that we are used for upper. We'll try to convert the same into lower. So I'll say is equal to, since this particular text, which is in yellow, it's already in lower case. So if I try to add lower and select this text, it will not have any effect because it is already in lowercase. Let me convert the one which is in uppercase right now. So I is equal to lower. I select the one which is in uppercase, close the brackets and press enter. You find now this is converted into a lowercase. Let me do the same for mixed cases like the one which I have where E is capital, C is capital, and A is capital. So again, I'll try to convert this into lowercase. I'll say enter. Find this all has been converted into lowercase. Now, as we had for uppercase, lower also doesn't have any effect on numbers as well as dates. Yeah. So let me convert this, which is a mix of number and text. So is equal to lower, sorry, is equal to lower. And I select the text, which is a mix of numbers and text, close the brackets and enter. So you'll find that the words are converted into lowercase, whereas our numbers have the number 2021 doesn't have any effect on it. Let's do the same for date. So you'll find it will have the same effect that upper function has on this particular date. So you find this, both have been converted to numbers and has been left aligned since it is converted into text. Let's have it with special characters and numbers. Let's try to see what lower does in case of special character and number. It doesn't have any effect because it is starting with a special character. Same way for number, it is supposed to convert into text and left align the text. So lower, it has the same effect on number as what upper has. Okay. Let's see a text which has spaces on the left of the string. So is equal to lower. You can see there is a text at the left of the string, spaces. There are empty spaces at the left of the string. We press enter. So again, it doesn't have any effect. Same way, if you see there are spaces on the right of the string over here, we try to convert this, say lower. This will not have any effect on the left of the right of the string. Let's see what happens with a currency number or a currency symbol data. So we choose a currency or accounting formatted string or number, and I choose lower. I say close the brackets and I press enter. So you can see it has the same effect. It has converted it into a number. It has removed the decimal and the comma, and it has converted into text and left aligned it. Same way what it had done for the number. Same way, if I try to use the same formula of getting the left and right text of the string and convert into a lower, it will look like this. So what I've done is I've taken 4 characters from the left of the string and 7 characters from the right of the string. Yeah, using the left and right formula. We'll see this formulas or functions later in our subsequent videos for text. And I converted them to a lower case in one go. So this is how you can use nested formulas along with or functions along with lower. So it is iScan. So the point here you need to remember is that lower converts a particular string, which is specifically an alphabet, which has a text into a lower case. Yeah, hope you understood the use of a lower function in Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics or functions in our 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you are going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Yeah. And this will also motivate me to post in more videos free of cost and help in sharing my knowledge with everyone. Thank you so much.